Hello, we are group number 5. Today, we are going to present to you our Mathemagic trick.
Today, we are going to show you a Mathemagic trick famously known as the 5-card trick, which is invented by Fitz-Cheney, a mathematician in 1950. To perform this trick, we require a magician, the magician's assistant, and an audience. The assistant will invite the audience to randomly pick 5 cards from a deck of 52 cards. These 5 cards are then given to the assistant. It can only be seen by the assistant and the audience. The assistant will then look at the 5 cards chosen by the audience and lay it out on the table. Out of these 5 cards, he will choose one card which will be returned to the audience. In this example, the King of Diamonds is returned to the audience. The other 4 cards will then be arranged in a specific order as shown. From this arrangement, one is able to deduce the value of the hidden card. After looking at the 4 cards, the magician will then guess the hidden card and proceed to write down his answer on a piece of paper. He will then reveal the hidden card to see if it's true. Ta-da! He got his prediction right, like what is written on the paper. The card is indeed King of Diamonds. You must be wondering, how did the magician guess the card? Does he have X-ray vision? The answer is no. He has maths and logic on his side. This trick is based on pigeonhole principle, modular arithmetic, permutations, and combinatorial theories and concepts. The secret of this trick lies in the arrangement of the 4 cards that will be displayed to the magician. Firstly, from the 5 cards, we will have to choose one card for the magician to guess. Based on the pigeonhole principle, if there are 4 suits, which is diamonds, clubs, hearts and spades, and 5 cards, there must be at least one suit which has 2 cards belonging to it. The card to be returned will thus belong to a suit which has multiple cards, and the other card of the same suit will be used to inform the guesser, which is the magician, on the suit of the hidden card. In this example, the 5 card contains 2 diamonds, 1 hearts, 1 clubs, and 1 spades. In this scenario with 2 diamonds, one of the diamonds will be returned either the King of Diamonds or the Jack of Diamonds. Here, the King of Diamonds is chosen to be returned to the audience. The other diamond will then be placed in the leftmost position of the 4 displayed cards, so that the guesser will be able to identify the suit of the hidden card immediately. Now that we have decided on the suit of the card to be returned, we will have to decide on the card itself. We have a Jack Diamond and a King Diamond. How do we decide which card to return? For this, we must introduce the concept of modular arithmetic. It is an arithmetic system where numbers wrap around a value, or something known as a modulus. A classic example is a 12-hour clock where the number wraps around the value 12. In this context, the ace acts as the modulus, thus the difference between the values of 2 cards will never be greater than 6. For this example, the distance between Jack Diamond and King Diamond is 2, counting upwards from Jack to King, while that between King Diamond and Jack Diamond is 11. Thus, the King Diamond will be flipped over, while the Jack Diamond will be displayed to the magician. As the distance between the 2 cards will always be 6 or less, we only have 6 possibilities left to cover, with 3 cards to manipulate. By applying the concept of permutations, there will be 3 factorial ways, which is 6 ways to arrange the 3 cards, which fit this situation precisely. Based on the value of the cards, the 3 cards will be arranged in a specific predetermined order such that it will showcase a value between 1 and 6 inclusive. One example is shown as follows, where the 3 cards to be arranged are 7 clubs, 3 hearts, and 4 spades. In the previous example, the arrangement of the cards represented the value 2. How do we show a value based on the arrangement of the 3 cards? Well, this is based on the individual values of the cards and whether it is of the lowest, medium, or highest value among the 3 cards. To show a value of 1, we will arrange the 3 cards in a low, medium, high order as seen in the image. To show a value of 2, like the previous example, we will arrange them in a low, high, medium order. For 3 is a medium, low, high order. For 4 is a medium, high, low order. For 5 is a high, low, medium order. And for 6 is a high, medium, low order. Therefore, from the arrangement of the 3 cards, the magician will be able to conclude a number from 1 to 6. This number is the difference between the leftmost card and the hidden card. Based on the previous example, person A would want to arrange the 3 cards such that it represents the value 2. Since the leftmost card is the Jack diamond, the guesser will count up 2 values from Jack, which will be King. Thus, it can be deduced that the hidden card is the King diamond. In the event where there are multiple cards with the same number, the order of the suits will also become a factor. This order is not fixed and is based on the preferences of the 2 performers, which is the magician and the assistant. One example is for the cards to be ordered alphabetically based on the first letter of the suit. Following this example, clubs will be the smallest suit, while spades will be the largest suit. So, in this example, where we have 4 cards of value 4, we will use the same method to select the card for magician to guess, and the card to be displayed first. The difference is when we have to create a permutation to inform the magician of the difference between the first card and the card he has to guess. We can still use our arrangement of low, medium, high, where 4 diamonds is the smallest, 4 hearts is the medium, and 4 spades is the largest. Thus, the magician is still able to come up with a 100% accurate prediction of the hidden card.
Through this video, we hope you have a better understanding of our magic trick. Thanks for watching.